Keep safe.
To pay to get enough things we want. But if we take a moment to get closer, closer to the things we need, we wouldn't need them, need that, looking at the things we have. Stay here under the palm trees. Won't you lay here with me? Baby, there's no plan for the wicked. There is no goal for the longing heart. Just another day to be with ya. When everything ends, it's a brand new start. Baby, there's no plan for the wicked. Darker are the days for the bitter ones. Baby, I'm just happy to be with ya. Ooh, there's no plan for the wicked. Baby, there's no plan for the wicked. There's no goal for the longing heart. Just another day to be with ya, with ya. Baby, there's no plan for the wicked. Darker are the days for the bitter ones. Baby, I'm just happy to be with ya, to be with ya. Baby, there's no plan for the wicked. There is no goal for the longing heart. Just another day to be with ya. When everything ends, it's a brand new start. Baby, there's no plan for the wicked. Darker are the days for the bitter ones. Baby, I'm just happy to be with ya. Ooh, there's no plan for the wicked. Ooh, there's no plan for the wicked.
Well, morning, Dringy here, and this is the end of the week following the lockdown in the country, and I've been out tramping all week, and I'll just sort of give a couple of you a couple of pointers. First of all, food, especially if you're out tramping all week, is not very good. Obviously, there's no takeaways open. There's nothing open. So, as luck would have it, I prepared all my food before I left, and had it all in pots. So all I had to do is put it in the microwave. So I had my own fresh food all made up. But lucky enough, it was all good stuff. So I've just tipped and got to rearrange all my straps and bits and pieces. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 18. Perfect. That's why I took off. That's what I've got. Yeah, so food. If you're out tramping all week, it's best to make it at home, pot it up if you have a microwave or Ridge Monkey, and then put it all together there. So that's good. Second thing is cleanliness. Keep the lorry spotless, and your hands. I mean, I've got 100 latex gloves. I've got 2 boxes. That's 200. And each time I get out of the lorry, I put these gloves on. Not these. These are my work ones. But and then if you're touching paperwork, when I take it back again and put it away, take your gloves off, throw them, wash your hands before you get in the truck. You know. So every time I get out the truck, before I get back in, wash my hands. Keep the truck safe. And hopefully it will keep you safe. Now I've got to rewind all this. Almost every strap in the box. Well, tell you what, it might look like it's a nice blue sky day, but it certainly is cold. 3 degrees, and that's in Cornwall. I'm just finishing rolling up my last strap back to the yard. But when we come out of this coronavirus thing, if we come out of it, a lot of us won't. And but the world's going to be a different place. Transport's going to be a different place. A lot of people have already been laid off. A lot of people are on this furlonged thing, and no job is safe right now, including my own. So we just have to wait and see how we all get along, you know. But I think the worst thing for me this week, or one of the worst things for me this week, was not being able to get a shower. I went away on Monday morning. I had a shower on Tuesday, and then that was it. I next had a shower Friday night. So, and that was only because a lot of people complained and they reopened them all. But it's getting tough. It really is. And you do feel isolated. You do feel, you know, people look at you and they look at you like you can kill them, which is true. That's exactly what you can do. So just take it steady. Look after yourself. Keep yourself safe. That's all you can do. Anyway, just going to finish off here, and I hope you enjoy the ride down into Cornwall. I left just after 6 this morning, so just after sunrise, and it was all quite nice. Very cold. So hopefully, might have a bit of a short video coming into Cornwall itself. It's now Saturday. Been away since Monday morning. I've just got to finish off this and back to the yard, and that's me done. My lorry's going in for another service on Monday, so I'm not going to start until midday. Hopefully. Until then, you keep it steady and have a good weekend, everybody. Keep safe.